Hi everyone, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Thursday, November 14th. We do have some isolated snow showers out and about there this morning, mainly in the central mountains. That's where they're going to stay for the most part. You'll see about an additional half an inch up to an inch for areas at or below pass levels as some of those come through today. Same kind of story up in the Island Park area, but even lighter snow totals additionally today. We do have a more organized system that is going to be arriving tomorrow and then continuing Friday night into Saturday morning. So we will see a bit of a mix of rain and snow for our valley locations Friday afternoon as things get going, and then switching over to snow overnight into Saturday as temperatures will be dropping. Overall, our highs are going to be dropping over the next couple of days. Winds are going to start to pick up on Saturday too, and then after that system moves through, we kind of have another chance for some snow showers Sunday late into early Monday. So here's a look at satellite this morning. You can see we do have some clouds moving through eastern Idaho, still some moisture headed our way, and mainly where those clouds are at, kind of over central Idaho this morning, that's where we still have some of those isolated snow showers. Our weather risk outlook grid for the next couple of days, there could certainly be some minor impacts from snow showers Friday night into Saturday morning. Again, we're mainly going to be watching some of those mountain passes that will have the potential for some slightly higher totals. No products out at the moment for those, but we'll kind of be keeping an eye mainly on that Pine Creek Pass and Emigration Pass areas. So we'll see if snow totals increase with some of the model data that comes in today or not. Otherwise, it's going to be kind of some typical run-of-the-mill snow showers and some rain showers Friday afternoon as things get going before that switch over to all snow happens Friday night into Saturday morning. So there is a lot on this weather risk outlook grid, but you'll notice, we kind of do get some breaks for about a half a day at a time in between systems. So speaking of temperatures, today we're still not too bad, relatively warm, all things considered. A lot of us still in the mid and upper 40s to low 50s. Winds, not too bad. They're going to kind of just continue to slowly decrease throughout the day today with gusts around 15, 20, maybe 25 miles per hour. Here's a look at some of the radar this morning. Again, just some isolated snow showers, and this is going to be basically what radar looks like for the better part of this morning especially. As far as additional snowfall for the rest of today, not a whole lot. For most areas in the central mountains and up near Island Park, it'll be an inch or less. Maybe you get closer to an inch and a half in a few spots if you get into some of the higher elevations or closer to pass level, but again, no major impacts expected there. As we get into Friday, notice temperatures will be dropping. Most of us back into the low 40s for afternoon highs. And winds, still not too much of an issue for us on Friday, but that will start to change as we get into Saturday. Temperatures still chilly, highs in the mid-30s is all there. And as we get those wind gusts starting to pick up, they'll be around 25, 30, 35 miles per hour, especially through parts of the eastern Magic Valley there. So as far as snow totals, this is kind of an early look at the Friday PM through Saturday time frame. So keep checking back for updates, of course, over the next couple of days. But generally looking like probably 1 to 2 inches of snow through kind of our main population areas from Burley to Pocatello to Blackfoot, Idaho Falls, Rexburg to Ashton. Once you kind of start to go up a little bit in elevation, then you'll get closer to about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Still most of it going to be falling up in the mountains, and you will notice too that the central mountains kind of miss out on the way the system is coming through. Not completely, there will still be some moisture for everybody there, but most of it is going to be falling in the mountains of the southern hills and eastern highlands there. So yeah, keep that in mind. Those two areas, the South Hills and Eastern Highlands, will see the bulk of that moisture with that more organized system Friday into Saturday. So we get into Sunday, a little bit of a break in the moisture until that next round comes in Sunday evening. Temperatures still mainly in the 30s for our highs, and winds not quite as breezy on Sunday compared to Saturday. Gusts kind of in our more typical 15, 20, 25 mile per hour range. So, as I mentioned, we do have some isolated snow showers still around this morning. About an inch or less as far as additional snow totals goes today. A more organized system arrives tomorrow and continues into Saturday. That will bring a mix of some rain and snow for our valley locations as things get started before we switch over to snow overnight into Saturday morning. Cooler temperatures headed our way, so enjoy that warmth today because by this weekend, highs will be in the 30s. Winds also pick up on Saturday, and while we get a little bit of a break in the activity Sunday morning, we'll see another round of some moisture move through Sunday night into Monday morning. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always find the latest weather information from us online or give us a phone call, send us an email, social media, also a great way to connect with us. Have a great day.